Just go by step by step, step by step, step by step. Try to get the points in mind and accordingly answer. Don't muck up too much. We have to muck up quite a lot of stuff, but here it's not that to it. The concepts have to be there. With that, we need to get the edge. Always remember, it's not about whether I finish the revision material. It's about at the end of finishing revision material, I know one step better than somebody else who has studied the same revision material. I again repeat that. That's the most important thing. You keep on asking, is it enough? Is it enough? It is enough if you got the edge. It's not enough as long as you don't have the edge. You have to get the edge out of this. You need to beat your opponent. In hospital terms, it's about working together. But in exams, it's about beating your opponent. You have to think ahead. You have to go ahead. You have to be able to cross the bar 0.1% better than the other person. So it's always comparison, it's always competition. And you should be able to compete and win. That's the whole idea. Okay, so to compete and win, when everybody has the same material, it's not enough that you just study it. You study it with vengeance. You study it with vengeance in such a way that you get ahead of your peer. That's what it is. That is what I have tried to do here. So that I'm opening up so many angles and giving. Now it's up to you completely. I have opened the angles. I have made the discussion very broad-based. We've got everything covered. The roots are all covered. Now with these roots, how you are able to excel. I'm definite that many of you will be able to. And they are the ones who are going to come champs.